We've also got a couple chefs that I think have been with us for every event. Phil Benedetti, anything for internet service, tell them no, and make sure they take it off. That's an arrangement we've had with the hotel. I'm sure they'll honor it, but
just turn your circulator on, use Ziploc bags, and wham, you just knocked out that, health inspector comes in and says, hey, that's in vacuum bag. Actually, it's not. So, totally fine, you can do that, and not actually like, at least for. And these are the exact same exit table for the presentation. And the servers are like, what are they doing? We're like dumping dirt, like putting food down on that. But the whole scenery was edible. And people were coming up, and from the agriculture industry, you can leave them in your cooler. They're not going to change. They're going to look really nice and fresh. I'm just pulling a few out.
We've got the bone and roasted really nice.
Just going to let this sit, then I'll come back to this here in a minute. But I want to get these into some ice water so that they don't wilt or anything. And I also want to be able to show you a before and after, so let's set this off to the side. All right, so pages are, in my opinion, one of the best parts of the book. But we still use a lot of things dry, and they will still look the same. Now, and these are the exact same exit table for the presentation, and the servers are like, what? Byproduct of it, that you do get great yield. So this one was cooked kind of like medium-ish, but the great thing is the yield's amazing because all the fat and everything is still in there, and we normally put like some stock and jus and everything in there. I love the last one. What are you gonna do with it? I think we got this thing turned on. And actually what I like to do is I like to put like a little ring on it too. You can do different speeds.
Chef, I have a question.
Yes.
Does the vacuum blanching affect the nutritional value of the greens?
The vacuum blanching?
Yes.
Nutritional?
Does the vacuum blanching affect the nutritional value of the greens?
Yes. You can spin it with your pool in your hand. Okay. All right, so now, coming back with a spoon. Okay. Now we'll do a couple different variations. I've got another one here. Okay. I haven't tried it with 2 purees, but we're going to try it anyway. Let me try it over here. I always like to try different things, so I tried it. I did it actually with 2 purees, which is a little harder to do. We're just going to do it with 1. Okay. So normally we just put the record player, we turn it on, we let it rip. And try with this one. And Danny, do you want to go and cut the rib? So the rib has been cooked and then now refilled. You can also actually put it like directly onto, right into a saute pan and just heat it up from scratch just like that. It's totally fine. So, then you come back with a spoon, and if you think of almost like pottery, if you think of like almost like
Real pleasure to be here. Doing
we've all kind of taken over and started over in gloves, and I think when we do that, we always kind of inherit some sort of